بذكر الله ترتاح القلوب وتنزاح المتاعب والكروب وتنزل رحمة الغفار غيثا به تمحى المعاصي والذنوب.
The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man qala la ilaha illallah dakhala al-jannah." Abu Dawood. Whoever said there is no God besides Allah will enter paradise. Man lam yas'alillah yakzab alayhi. Tirmidhi. Allah is displeased with him who does invoke him for something. Al-kalimatu tayyibatu sadaqah. Saying good is an act of charity. At-tahuru nisful iman. Muslim. Cleanliness is a half the faith.